Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're really digging into something big, how AI is fundamentally reshaping software development, specifically quality engineering.
Absolutely. And our sources, they point to these five pretty major strategic shifts. It's not just about tools, it's changing structures, roles, everything. We'll see platforms like ZAPTEST really popping up here too.
Okay, so our mission today, let's get concrete. What does this AI transformation actually mean for QE teams day to day?
Exactly. Moving past the hype, you know, understanding the real impact so you can figure out what's next.
Right, so let's unpack this and maybe forget some old ideas about QA because AI, it seems, isn't just helping out, it's kind of flipping the script.
That's a good way to put it.
Okay, first up, our sources talk about AI becoming a true collaborator and supercharging productivity. What does that look like?
Well, think about AI agents not just as like background utilities, but actual team members, trusted ones.
Trusted how?
Imagine an AI that learns your entire code base, not just syntax, but patterns, pitfalls, maybe even team style, in days.
Okay, that's fast.
And then it can guide new hires, give context-aware advice, onboarding time, slashed. It's like having this super knowledgeable senior dev on call 24/7.
Wow. Okay, so that leads to the next point, this generation-powered engineering velocity.
Exactly, because the AI isn't just analyzing, it's generating. Code scaffolding, optimized algorithms, refactoring suggestions,
And for QE specifically.
automated test creation, but smart tests. Context-aware, based on requirements, user stories, unit, integration, even end-to-end.
So tools like ZAPTEST fit in here, automating across different platforms.
Precisely. ZAPTEST uses AI to understand application flows, often without needing deep manual scripting. It really speeds up test cycles.
Which frees up the humans.
Exactly. Frees up QE folks from the repetitive grind, lets them focus higher up architecture, risk modeling, quality strategy, big picture stuff.
Okay, that's a huge jump. If AI handles more execution, where does QE leadership come in? That leads to the next shifts, right? Yeah, the next two are about QE moving beyond just being a gatekeeper at the end. It's about real leadership, integrated way earlier.
Earlier, like from the very start, ideation.
From ideation all the way through deployment. And this isn't just, plugging in a few AI tools here and there.
It's more holistic. The sources mention a holistic transformation and potentially doubling productivity.
That's the idea, a 2x productivity potential.
It sounds ambitious, yeah.
How does that actually happen? What does this holistic pipeline look like?
It means redesigning the entire pipeline. Think AI helping with rapid prototypes, intelligent CI/CD that spots and maybe even self-corrects issues.
Self-corrects.
Yeah. And platforms, again like ZAPTEST, are built for this, integrating quality across the whole process, not just tacking it on.
So quality is baked in from the design phase. AI looking at requirements before coding.
Right. Flagging potential issues, suggesting test cases early, that cuts down rework massively. Speeds things up.
Okay, makes sense. And the final shift. This one's about people. Talent tiering and needing AI skills. Absolutely critical. This is where it gets personal for engineers. AI proficiency is becoming a major differentiator.
So it's not optional anymore.
Not really, no. Engineers who get good with AI tools, especially prompt engineering, that's crucial.
Prompt engineering, crafting the instructions for the AI.
Exactly. That art and science, those folks are moving into really strategic roles, orchestrating how AI helps.
So leadership needs to invest in training, create new roles.
Definitely. Upskilling is key. Think AI integration specialists, maybe advanced automation architects, and sophisticated platforms like ZAPTEST. They're driving this need. You need people who understand how to leverage these powerful AI capabilities.
Okay, so let's boil this down. What's the big takeaway for you, our listener, navigating all this change?
Well, the core message is QE is becoming much more strategic. It's moving away decisively from manual, repetitive work.
But it's not just set it and forget it with AI.
Oh, absolutely not. It demands really careful oversight. Ethical considerations are huge. And things like model drift monitoring.
Model drift, meaning making sure the AI stays accurate over time.
Exactly. Continuously checking its output as data and systems change. AI isn't a magic wand. It needs thoughtful integration. Changes to process, culture, metrics. It all has to work together.
So platforms like ZAPTEST give you the tools, but the human strategy is still vital.
Paramount.
That really shifts the perspective. So if AI, enabled by platforms like ZAPTEST, is changing how we build and assure quality, It raises a question, doesn't it? What new kinds of quality do we even need to think about? What does excellence look like in this AI-powered future when the machines are actually partners in creating?
That is definitely something worth pondering. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.